Hello friends, today I'll be making watermelon drink. So simple, tastes amazing, and it's healthy too. So all we need is cubed watermelon. I'm going to be making a small portion, just whatever fits in my little blender. And I also have a cup with ice and lime. Lime goes so well with watermelon. I'm going to add a splash of water just for easier blending. So that's about quarter cup or so. And now let's blend this watermelon. So process in a blender until it's well blended and it turns into this delicious drink. Some people add sugar. I feel like sugar is totally not necessary because watermelon is naturally sweet. And now I'm going to pour this delicious watermelon juice over ice. Perfect, and there's enough left for another cup. And I like to squeeze my lime in my watermelon juice. It really enhances the flavor. And now let's try it. Perfect, tastes as good as it looks. It just tastes like this pure watermelon liquid form. And the lime goes so well with it, and it's naturally sweet, so healthy, and so delicious. This is perfect drink for summer. Give it a try, you will love it. For a free printable recipe and other easy recipes, please visit my website, melaniecooks.com, and don't forget to subscribe to my channel, Melanie Cooks. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. Enjoy!